Greetings of the day. I, Chavi Gupta, welcome you all in today's session. I have given you an activity that you have to perform at your home and see the observation and record it. Now, I will discuss that first, and our next topic will be types of image. Now, the activity was that take a coin and place in a mirror. Place a mirror in front of it. आपको mirror के सामने से रखना था and a source of light should be there, that is torch or sun rays. Fine. So this is a coin and this is your mirror. Now when you place the coin in front of a mirror, a single coin in front of a single mirror, you will get the image of coin. So that means you will observe a coin in the mirror. This is the first part. Then the second part is that take the same coin, आपने वही coin दोबारा से लिया, but place in front of two mirrors joined in this way. Clear? आपने दो mirrors लिए, दोनों को आपस में join किया, that is at 90 degree angle. This angle is a 90 degree. Fine. So what will you observe? आप क्या observe करते हैं? You placed a coin over here, so it will show the reflection over here. It will show the reflection over here, but this will also show the reflection because here the light ray also bent. यहाँ पे लाइट रेज ऑल्सो रिफ्लेक्ट करें क्योंकि वहाँ पे मिरर का जंक्शन है, मिरर जॉइंट हो रहा है, तो वहाँ पे मिरर अवेलेबल है. दैट्स वाई आपका वहाँ पे भी मिरर की रिफ्लेक्शन के थ्रू वहाँ पे कॉइन फॉर्मेशन, कॉइन की इमेज फॉर्मेशन होगी. दैट मीन्स यू विल गेट द 3 images ऑफ कॉइन. Now, in the previous class, we have studied about what is an image. That is an appearance produced by light from an object reflected from a mirror. Fine. This is the image of the girl reflected from the mirror. Now, we have types of images, but before that, we should know that some terms. What are the conditions necessary for image? That is, an object should be there, source of light, and a screen. And here the screen is mirror. So what is a screen over here is the mirror is known as a screen as here image is obtained. यहाँ पे screen क्या है? आपकी mirror, because यहाँ पे आपकी image formation हो रही है. Now हमने last class में पढ़ा था that the image can be of large, small or of same size. image बड़ी हो सकती है, छोटी हो सकती है और same size की सकती है. Now the image can also be, ये तो हमने size बताया था, but image can be real and inverted and virtual and erect. कि image is real and inverted भी है and virtual and erect. So what does the term means? Let's see. What is an inverted image? Inverted image means the image which is rotated by 180 degree. 180 degree means suppose you are standing upright, your head is above and toe is below. So when you see in the mirror, you will get the toe at the, you will see the head at the bottom and toe at the top. So it is known as inversion by 180 degree, means rotation by 180 degree. Now see the diagram. This is the head of the person. When he see in the mirror, he will see that the head is at the bottom and the chest is at the up. So it is known as inverted image. The image which is rotated by 180 degree means upside down, down to up. It is known as inverted image. Now what is an erect image? Erect image means the image is not rotated by any degree. आपकी image rotated हो ही नहीं है, means आप सीधे खड़े थे, आपको सीधा ही दिख रहा है. That means your head is above and toe is bottom. So your head is above and toe is bottom. This is your image. Fine. So that means आपका head ऊपर था तो आपको head ऊपर दिखा, toe नीचे था तो toe नीचे दिखा. Now see the diagram. The person face is at the above, so it is showing at the above. Chest is at the bottom, so chest is at the bottom. So it is known as erect image. Now, what is real image? Real image means it is easily obtained on screen. ऐसी image जो screen पे easily आ रही है. It is always inverted, means upside down formation होगी आपकी. Now it can be of same size, same size की हो सकती है, and large, small size as that of object. It can be big, it can be small, or it can be of same size. What is a virtual image? It is made to appear on screen, means जो आप सीधा देख रहे हैं person, वो exactly person visible सीधा हो रहा है, means आपको erect दिख रहा है. So it is known as a virtual image. Now it is smaller in size as compared to object, means कि वो आपका छोटा होगा साइज में एज कम्पेयर टू ऑब्जेक्ट. इट इज़ ऑलवेज इरेक्ट. द कॉमन एग्जाम्पल इज यू कैन सी दैट इन द व्हीकल्स, जो आपका व्हीकल्स में साइड व्यू मिरर होता है वो आपको कैसी इमेज देता है, ट्रक्स के पीछे, कार्स के पीछे स्मॉल इमेज देता है बट सीधी देता है. सो इट इज़ नोन एज अ वर्चुअल इमेज. Now what we have studied is types of image, real and inverted image, virtual and erect image. Now these are the questions that you have to answer. Now but tell the type of image formed in both the cases. दो cases हमारे पास, आपको बताने कौन सी image formation. This is the image. So tell me that what is the kind of image. It is real and inverted, virtual or erect. Always remember that real is always inverted and virtual is always erect, because virtual cannot be taken on the screen, that's why it is erect. Now real can be taken on the screen, that's why it is erect. Second question is the truck seen in the mirror. जो ट्रक आपको मिरर में दिख रहा है वो कैसी इमेज दे रहा है, वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट और रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड. प्लीज दिस शुड बी आंसर्ड. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक